Guys, what is up? And today I'm playing Cat Simulator. I really like this game, and I'm a level 47. And my crew, my family, yeah, I'm working on it. So we're just gonna grind, I guess. And yeah. So right now we're going to fight the bear boss, which is this way. And I have 468 health. Can I level up me myself? No, I need to be a level 48, which I am so close. Wait, am I? Yeah, I'm pretty close to it. I need 4,000 more XP. Is my family even playing? Okay, yeah, good. Come on, guys. We're going to fight a boss. Which, yeah. Someone might die. Because this boss has a lot of health. Only 5,000. I mean, that is a lot. Can we see the bear boss? I can't see it. No, there it is. Okay. Let's go. Oh, that looks powerful. I don't care. We'll go. Oh my gosh. We got the kill on the girl, so this could be easy. Yes, this is easy. Wait, what? I'm doing it so fast. Now we defeat this, everyone can level up. There's 4 killings for fighting a bear. Let's make sure everyone is here. Oh my god. Quick. Yep, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Yep, easy. 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 Let's go. Oh my god. Jeez, that gave a lot. What the? That's leveling me up. 94 power. I'm so close to 100. Oh my god. Jeez. Okay, I know what boss to fight. What do I think I do? Okay, so let's go fight. Gotta find a boss to fight. We fight the good. No way. Let's fight this boss over here. I feel like that boss will be easy to find. So let's just get this ready. Here, and the voice. Let me eat. I'm eating it. It's yummy. Okay. They stole it. Thieves. I don't like how they steal your food. It's kind of annoying. Maybe that's me. Next video we'll be playing Dog Simulator. Maybe we might. I don't know. We might be playing Dog Simulator. I don't know yet. But right now I'm into the boss. Wait, that's back at the. We're back at the village. Hang on. Oh, okay, okay. We're back at the village. And we're heading to a cave. Hang on, I know a quick way. We go to my house, the cat house, we'll call it. And then we teleport there. I should have just thought about that in the first place. I just jumped through it. Jeez, I'm powerful. I just jumped through a fence, and my ear can stick in houses. Well, that's weird. Yeah, my house is on the other side. So let's go to my house. Okay. I'm in my house. And then we go teleport. Yes, and then we go here. Come on. Yes, okay. Wait. Where am I going? I want to try this boss. I got it. So let's fight this boss. I hope it's not too powerful. I don't want my bosses to be powerful, because I'm the powerfulest, if that makes sense. It says I have to go that way, this way. Okay. Give me a sec. Yes, okay. Now the boss is here. Whew, okay, I'm ready to fight this boss. I'm ready. Okay. There it is. What boss is this? Can you help? Oh yeah, this one. This one we're gonna get easily. Okay. Easy, come on. Come on, crew. We got this. We've already took a few thousand bullets out. No, only about 1,500. Come on. No, I'm about to die. I need to heal. Oh god. No. Yay. This person level 21, and I didn't even level it once, I don't think, which, wow. I didn't level up once. Well, it doesn't matter. Should we wait for the boss to spawn again? No, let's fight this guy. He's stuck in a wall. Okay. That's weird. I didn't know you could go like out of first person. Let's fight this hair again. Oh my god, I'm low on energy. I need to eat. Okay, let's fight this person. This rabbit thing. Okay, I need to eat. Oh, will you stop snatching? I don't appreciate that you're snatching because it's not nice to snatch. Yay! I leveled up. Let's go, and my energy's back up. Yay! Oh, mice. I like to fight mice. Eat. This is nice. This is yummy. This is good. Yes, haha. Yummy. I'm gonna go to the next boss. What now? That mouse just went into the ground. Okay. Oh, spiders. I should love me some spiders. Yummy. Yes. Haha. Take that, spiders. You're going down. Yes. Haha. Get wrecked. So now I'm going to fight another spider. I like spiders, they're yummy. Wait. I'm going the wrong way. Oh well, doesn't matter, does it? I'm fighting an eagle thing. Come on, I don't even run that fast. Let's fight a skunk. Why are skunks in deserts? Is this a desert? Okay, here it goes. I do like 100 damage, and that's crazy. Okay, that guy leveled up, so we gotta level him up for upgrading. This person did, and so did this guy. Oh, he's a cat. This cat did. I'm gonna edit this cat. Oh, but he's so cute. Look at him. I kind of want to. Oh my god, this is adorable. What about this cat? What's the best cat in the game? This one. Okay. This one's cute. I'm gonna buy this, and I'm equipping it. Chef hat. Oh my god, this is cool. Wizard hat. Deer hat. Frog hat. We're going with a frog hat. And now we go back, and now we go fighting a snake. Oh, I see the snakes. Okay, can you see them, guys? Okay, let's just shot these snakes. We're scaring the snakes away. Oh my god, we did so much damage. Yes, cool, come on. There's like 3 snakes and they have a lot of health and we don't have much health. And we're defeating them. So, this is cool. We're defeating snakes. Oh my god, I really need more XP. I want to go fight a boss. Let's go fight. I don't. I don't know. Let's go fight this eagle. What animal is that? I think it's an eagle, a bird. I'm just gonna call it a bird. I don't know what type of bird, but it's a bird. Okay. So oh, 700 health. That's a lot of health. Oh yeah, I just died straight away. What the? Well, I know the eagles are dangerous now, so I don't want to fight an eagle. Let's go here. And then we go fight the boss. Where's the boss? I don't know. There was a boss somewhere here. But I can't find that. Wait, that's not a home. Oh, should we buy this? Yeah, I'm gonna buy it. Well, I bought it. And I'm in it. And wow, this is empty. I'm guessing a human used to live here, but not anymore because the cat stole it. Okay, what do I do? I bought a couch. Okay, I bought a bed. I'm just gonna buy stuff right there. I'm gonna leave it for now. What does this thing do? Okay, let me sleep. I'm sleeping. Oh yay! I'm back. Oh, okay. Now let's go fight a fox. I see a fox. And I'm going to fight a fox. This is going to be exciting. There it is. Yes. Come on, crew. Where's the rest of my family? Hello? Where'd they go? I don't know. But family, if you're out there, we're fighting spiders. And cats love spiders, so we're fighting spiders, so just come out. Wait. Oh, they're there. I didn't know where they were. Let's fight the spider. Okay, sick. You eat meat. I'm gonna eat one, actually, because I'm starving. Okay, you stole it. Great. Let's go over here then. Let's go to the eagles. No, these are the same ones, are they? I was gonna say. Okay, we can do this. Why have I turned like upside down? Huh? Oh, yay! I did it. Oh, I'm dead. Or am I? Because my crew's here to save me. Yes, let's go. Yes! I'm a level 50! This is good. Yes. Yes. I'm now level up. I'm a level... No! I'm level 50 and my power's 98! Let's level up Big Boy. That's what I named him. Level 25. Level 29. 6. Level 34. And I'm level 50. I've got to level one more time to get my power to 100. So I need something that... Let's go fight another eagle. Oh wait, a fox. Okay. I don't like when it does this. That's happened to me 1,000 times. Okay, can you stop now? Okay, good. Now I go over here. I run. And now, oh, there's my home. Hello, home. Where are the eagle guys? No, hi. Do you like it if I killed you? I'm just gonna kill you. Don't worry, it's gonna be fine. Yeah, it's totally fine. Why are they taking damage? Oh, no. I'm about to die. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. Can I survive? Can I survive? I don't think so. Come on. Darn it. I didn't survive. Back at my original house. So I'm carrying on. The game's modded, so I have infinite coins, if that's why you're thinking, oh, how does he have infinite coins? Yeah, that's how I've hacked the game. I'm not a hacker though, but I kind of am. I'm fighting a dog, okay? Come on. Why is my crew so slow? I'm only doing 200 health, and the dog's on 700. And he's only 2 more levels. That's crazy. Well, I got him. Guys, you there? Where are they? Come on. What are they doing? Oh my god. Well, I'm going to fight a hare or a rabbit, whatever you want to call it. So I'm fighting it. Yay. I did it. Also, now my family's here. As soon as... What are you doing? What, this guy? He's the youngest in the family. In the fam. Okay, now I'm gonna eat this. Oh, he stole it. Or did I eat it? Oh, well, I'm going to fight a bird. So, this is gonna be fun. Isn't it? Fighting something that has over 700 health and I have 4 cats. Oh my god, that was close. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Oh no, this game's hard. Ugh. I'm stretching. No, this game's really hard. Yeah. Okay, let's try this again. Go out the door. I don't think. Oh god. Oh, I'm gonna fight a dog. Oh, I almost got hit by a car. Never mind. All cars would jump together. What the? Am I gonna die to these dogs? Well, they're not that powerful, so I'm probably gonna beat them. Oh, come on. I wanna get to level 100, but that's probably gonna happen in like the 10th episode of this game, which is gonna take a long time. I'm level 51. Yes, 100. You don't understand how long that took. Oh, I'm so tired. And I've only been recording for 18 minutes. 18, it's not even that long. What level was I when I started this episode? I was like a level, I don't know, but yes, 100 power, 100 speed, and 100 everything. So yay. And now I'm just gonna fight a spider for celebration. I'm gonna end the video when I'm like level 53 because I don't know, because I can. Yeah, I'm gonna fight an eagle again. And 500 health as well. Real, I'm so happy. Yay. I just saw an eagle's wings. Yeah, in the ground. But yes, 500 health. Let's go. That's insane. And why is he like 10 spiders? When is my kitten gonna have birth? I thought it was like level 20, but right now it's level 27. And jeez, my family is strong. All added together, so 100 power at 70, 170 at 60, about 130, 230. About 270 power altogether, something like that. And that's crazy. So yeah, I'm defeating a snake. I'm killing a snake now. This is gonna be sick. Yes. Oh geez, these snakes are pretty powerful. I love the snakes. The reptiles. The snakes. Okay. Oh my god, there's another one. No, I'm about to die. Oh my god. Oh yes. I'm lucky. I'm lucky. It's my lucky day. So now we eat the snake, and yeah. And now we go fight a goose. I don't know, a duck. Heh. You ready to get murdered? Oh wait, I forgot. No, I'm on the house. I forgot. Ah, yikes. Well, I did it. I don't know how. And I'm super on health. Oh wait, no, not anymore. My health is about to reach 5 billion health. 500 actually. Sorry if you hear background bath noises because someone's having a bath and I don't know who. Sorry, but I'm about to level up. I think I'm a level 51 and 77%. I mean, we're going to fight a boss, guys. Or shall we? Yeah, we are. So, let's go. Go, come on. Come to the house, my kittens. Well, some of them are even kittens, the rabbits. Yeah, but, where's my house? Oh, it's there. Am I blind? I think I am. So, now I'm in the house, and we teleport, we're gonna teleport over here. Oh, yes, okay. That's what I saw a dog. Okay, yeah, let's go fight the dog. Does this dog has 700 health? Okay, we can do this, guys. We can do this. I know we can because we're powerful. We're powerful. We're just powerful, you know. The boss is in that cave. On the map, if you see a cave logo. Yeah. We're going to fight a boss, and there's actually a boss in there, so we can go fight that after I like level up because I don't really want to fight the boss when I'm not max health because I feel like I'm just gonna die, and I don't want to die. So then I have to walk to my home again, and I don't know, but we'll go in to fight snakes, and I might die. Bad idea. And I'm low on energy. I didn't even see. Yes! Yay! Well, yay. I leveled up. I did it. I'm a champion. Oh my gosh. Come on. I'm trying to eat and fight at the same time. But, come on. Oh, I just love... Oh. The video's gonna end when I'm level 53, so basically when I defeat the boss maybe. But yeah, so yes, level up this person, level up me, 102 power, the champion at this game. I'm not the best in the world, but who cares? And I think I'm gonna fight the boss now. Yeah, so let's go to the cave. I might walk. No, I'm not gonna walk because I don't really want to walk because, well, I kind of do have to walk because my energy is just gonna, So I'm going to the cave. So yeah, here is the cave. And yeah. Well, I think there's a boss in here. Is it a? Well, it didn't show the boss. Well, that's weird because I'm pretty sure there's a boss in this cave. It's weird. Comment down below yes if you have ever played this game, 'cause it's a pretty good game in my opinion. Definitely. I started playing it a few months ago, and I'm only level 52. Think that's not even that good. The boss should be like here. It's not there. Didn't spawn him. I might end the video here, actually. So yeah. I don't know, but let's fight these rabbits first, because we have to. So we're fighting these rabbits. Bless me. Two. Sorry guys. How's my family doing? My family's doing good. Good. Now we wanna fight the rest of the rabbits. Where is that rabbit? Oh, it's here. Okay, let's find it. Where is it? I don't see a rabbit. Never mind, let's go find these rabbits over here. No, stop bringing me to this one. Stop please. Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'm not too far from my target. Can I defeat this one? Can I try get this one? Okay, good. Well, that was easy. That was an easy defeat, wasn't it? Okay. Now we eat the meat. I wonder what it feels like to be a cat. I have two cats in real life, and they're nice. They're nice to me. One's black and white, and one's a gingery color. So yeah, it's pretty sick, pretty awesome. Yeah. So I'm gonna eat this. Yummy, yummy. It's really good. It tastes good, and it's kind of gross at the same time. And now you got, oh, okay. I'm fighting another rabbit. Okay, you have to do this glitch thing. Oh, is this what? I don't even know. Hey, I was in like first person view. What the? That was weird. Okay, I'm 69% out of level 53, and I'm so close. So I'm kinda happy that I literally just passed 100 thing and 100 thing. And I just took me about a while. It took me a while. Yeah, a while. So yeah, this took me a long time, and level 52. I mean, that's okay. Level 52, right? Why would rabbits be in a cave, or hares? Why would hares be in a cave? It's pretty strange. I'd rather like snakes and rats and stuff be in a cave or something. So yeah. Oh, who am I? Outsies. Who am I? Okay, now. Oh, wait, is that a boss? No, that's just a rabbit. Whatever. We're about to level up, and I'm about to end the video as well. Yes, I am so close. I just want to do it quick. And I didn't think I'd get this far. I want the max level in this game. I think it's a level 200. I think that's the next level. So yeah. I'm gonna end the video here, actually, guys.